What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Mega Beetle Bea from Brawl Stars. Let's begin in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. So we start on the left side, starting from the top of that circle. Just gonna come down towards the bottom. And then pull that back up towards the top. Now you can leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same thing on the right. So let's line up the top of that circle. Come all the way down towards the same height. And then back up towards the top. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside of the eyes. We're going to start on the left side and draw an oval. We come all the way down towards the bottom, leaving a gap on the inside of the eye. And then we'll line this up on the right. Coming down, and then back up. Let's fill the pupils in black. Now we're going to lay the eyebrows on top of the eyes in an angle. Let's start on the top left, go down and in, line this up on the right, going up and out. Let's round out the inside and outside of the eyebrow. Just going to pull this back around. And we'll close off the top with a straight line. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Let's give our character some thick lashes. Starting on top of the eye by the eyebrow, we're going to go up and just taper that down along the side. And then from the end, draw a short angled line going up and out. And we'll curve this down and in towards the side of the eye. Let's fill the lashes in black. Let's line up at the bottom edge of the eyes, move to the center and draw the nose. We'll start on the left, curve the nose, coming down and then up. And we'll move down and draw in the mouth. Starting back on the left, come down and then up. Let's go to the outside and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside edge of the left eye, we're going to step out, curve the head coming down, just underneath the mouth, go out and up on the right. Let's add two small circles underneath each eye for the cheeks. On the left side, come all the way down towards the bottom of the head, and pull that back up. Line this up on the right. Let's go back out to the side, draw a straight line going up towards the edge of the helmet. And we'll connect the ends with a curve. We're going to go up in the middle, round this out, and come down on the right. Let's add some hair coming down the center of the forehead. We're going to start over on the left, come down, and bend that in, angle up and out. Let's add another one, coming down and across towards the right, angle up and out. We'll do that one more time, coming down and in towards the eyebrow. I'm just going to curve this in and up underneath the helmet. Now I'm going to draw two large circles on the top edge of the helmet. Lining up with the center of the eye, I'm going to step up, draw a circle, going all the way around, up towards the top, and then back down towards the bottom. Let's do the same thing on the right. Starting up here, go all the way around, towards the top of the circle, and come down and in. And then we'll trace the circle along the inside, just leaving an even space gap all the way around. And we'll draw a smaller circle in the center. And then we'll fill that inside ring in black. Let's go back to the side of the head. From here we're just going to curve this out and then up. And then we'll draw two straight lines going up along the side. Right about there. Let's connect the top with a curve going up above those circles. Starting back on the left, we go up, bend that in towards the middle, round this out, and then come down on the right. Let's add two thick stitches in the center of the helmet. We're going to start on the left side, start with a straight line going across. It's going to round up the ends with a bracket, and then we'll close off the bottom. Let's add another stitch in an angle. Start on the left, angle up and across. Then again, just adding a bracket on the sides and closing off the bottom. Now I'm going to add a seam coming down the center in behind those stitches. Starting from the top, come down in behind, in between, and all the way down towards the bottom. Let's go back down and add those horns on the side of the head. Starting from the top left, just going to curve this out, then it's down, and then in behind the head. Let's go to the right, going out, down, and then in. And we'll add those covers on the side of the head. Starting on the top left, go straight out on both sides. I'm just going to round this out, going out, down, and then in. Let's add those points along the side. From the top, we'll step down, curve out, and then down. Line this up on the right. And then from the end, come down and then bend that in. Now we're going to move back up and add that detail on top of the head. We're going to start over on the left side, start with a straight angle line, going up and in. Let's line this up on the right, come down and out. And then from the top, we're just going to angle this up and in, leaving a gap in the center. Up and in to right about there. Line this up on the right, come down and out. Let's draw the inside edge on the left side. Starting from the top, start with a short line coming down and in towards the middle, come down and out. Just lining this up, come down with a short line. We're going to add one more point. Come down and in towards the middle, and go down and out on top of the head. Let's go over towards the right side. Start with a straight line coming down. I'm going to add a point coming in. Come down and in towards the middle, down and out, and then pull this straight down on top of the head. Let's add a seam going across both sides. Starting from this point, draw a straight line going out towards the right. Line this up on the left side and go straight out. Let's add a bevel on the outside of the helmet. We're going to continue this curve going out and then down with a short line. And we'll go straight down towards the bottom. And now we're going to move down and draw on the side of the body. Let's start over on the left side underneath the head, curve the body going out and then down towards the left hip. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right hip. And then from the hips, draw a short angle line coming down and in, go up and in, and draw a straight line going up towards the top. Now we take this bottom and flip it up along the top, going up and out, and come down and out towards the side of the body. Let's line up the top in the middle, start with a point. I'm just going to angle down and out towards the left and right side, straight down the sides, and then come down and in towards the middle. Let's connect the inside with a straight line on both sides, and I'll connect the bottom. And I'll move back up to the top and add the collar, starting back on the left, come down the middle, and back up, and then on the inside, draw a straight line coming down towards the belt. And then in between the bottom of the collar and this point, we're going to start with a point, angle up and out towards the left and right side. Let's continue working down with the legs. From the bottom of the belt, we're going to step down and draw a curve. From left to right, going up and then down. Now leaving a gap in the center, let's go to the left side, curve the leg going out and down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet going out towards the tip of the first claw. Starting at the heel, come down and then up. And we'll draw the first claw. And go up and then bend that back down. Let's add one more claw. From the tip, draw a straight line going out. Curve that up and then down in behind the first claw. And then from the top of the last claw, curve the foot going up and then down on the inside of the heel. Let's move back up and round out the thigh. Starting from the left hip, curve the leg going out, down. Just going to bend that in, just on top of the foot. And then from the outside of the foot, curve up and in underneath the thigh. Let's add some stitches along the center. Starting from the top, draw a straight line going down. We'll add two short lines going across. Let's move back up and draw the hands coming out toward the side. We start on the left side with an oval. Starting from the top, all the way down towards the bottom, and then pull that back up toward the top. Let's line this up on the right side, come down towards the bottom, and then pull that back up towards the top. Let's trace the ovals along the inside. Now we're going to connect the top and bottom with a half oval coming in and then back out. Let's start from the top. Come in, round out the arm, and then go back out. Let's connect the arms to the body. We'll start from the top of the body, curve the arm going out and then down. And then from the bottom of the arm, draw a straight angle line going in behind the body. Let's add a trim going across the arm. Start from the top, come in, and then bend that down. And now we're going to draw 3 claws on the outside of that oval. Let's start from the very top with a straight line, curve in, and then down. Let's add a claw on the outside. Starting from the left, curve out, and then down, come down, and then in. And then we'll take that same shape and flip it on the inside. So lining this up, come in and down, and bend that back out. Let's add a seam going across the bottom of the forearm. Starting on the outside, come in, and bend that up. And now we're going to layer the wings in behind the body. Let's start from the top of the shoulder, curve the wing going up, and then bending that down. Go to the right side, going up, and then down. And then we'll curve the bottom of the wing in behind the hands. Starting back on the left, come down and then in. And then we'll draw the bottom half of the wings underneath the arm. Let's start out here, curve out, and then down. And we'll just pull that back in behind the legs. Coming in and bending that up on both sides. And that's pretty much it. There's Mega Beetle Bea from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your request in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.